My name is Lorenzo, and I'm with Elite Universal Carpet Cleaning Service. Let's talk about what makes us different from all the rest. The first thing is that we are a very small but lean carpet cleaning company. And what I mean by that is that we do service the Maryland, D.C., Virginia metropolitan area, and we have a great relationship with our customers. Here's the reason why. Because most of our customers are long-term customers. And the reason why they are is because our prices are fair, our service is top quality, and our professionalism is top quality. We do a triple clean process that not many other carpet cleaning companies do, which makes our service, bar none, top of the charts. What we do, most companies charge triple the prices that we charge. We feel that if we can give you great customer service, we can be there when you need us, and we can give you fair pricing and give you top quality service, there's probably no other reason why you would use another carpet cleaning company. Please click on the link below to get a list of the 5 questions that you should ask before choosing a carpet cleaning company to service your carpets. Click the link below and we'll be happy to show you exactly how this works. We look forward to doing business with you.